All right. For this lesson, I'm talking about diphthongs. Now, what is a diphthong? You are probably wondering. It is a fancy phonics term referring to a vowel sound that's actually two vowel sounds sort of squished together. The first one is ow. And if you really think about ow, it's like ow. So because it's those two sounds together, we call it a diphthong. The other one we'll look at is oi. 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 Okay, oi. So it has sort of two vowel sounds squished together. It's not always spelled O-U and O-I. It's just the ow and the oi sounds. So, for example, we do have shout. That's that sound. And about. And around. But you can also have power. And showers. When you get that ow sound. Okay? Now we know OW doesn't always say that. Sometimes it can just say the O sound, but sometimes it says the ow sound. As far as oi, sometimes it is OI, like point and voice and choice, but it can also be OY, like royal and enjoy. All right, so you can have different letters combined to make those two sounds. You still write the diphthongs like that. That's sort of the notation for how to pronounce those sounds. All right, so on your worksheet, you'll just underline the letters that make those sounds, noting that they're not always those letters, and then read the words for a minute and record how many words you got. All right, practice your fluency, how fast you can read, plus practicing the words. All right, good luck.